All right, we've made it work. Welcome to Learn a Bit. My name is Matt. Today we are going to have a pretty interesting video. All right, we've made it work. Just going to see how things look in the market and stuff like that. So this is Learn a Bit's channel. Here we are. You can give us a follow. Trying to post weekly, one video, one live stream. This is our Twitter. Take a look there. Trying to get us a couple followers there as well. Can't complain. Doing pretty good there. Keeping up. Instagram, 45 followers as well. Been posting more actively there. And yeah, let's take a look where we are today. So fear and greed index, we're sitting at 54, which is a lot better than last week. Last week we're sitting at 28. Extreme fear. So the market is picking up and reacting to what we had happen the other day, which was a Bitcoin breakout. Ethereum burn, we're sitting at over 416,000 ETH, which is pretty crazy. Pretty awesome. Like to see it happen. Putting it in the hands of the holders. People that are holding Ethereum, it's to their gain, but definitely not to the miners. They're losing out. This would be rewards that would have gone to the miners otherwise. So that's quite a bit of Ethereum for them to hold. They're still making quite a bit of ETH, but not as much as they used to. So this is the Bitcoin stock to flow model by Plan B. You can follow him on Twitter. His handle is 100 trillion USD. So he had put a tweet out last night, which I thought was kind of interesting, so I wanted to just read out here. On-chain analysts finished tonight. In my opinion, we are midway, no sign of weakness, red, yet. So he's talking about the red dots here. Note color overlay is not months to halving, but an on-chain signal. So I thought that these color changes were based on time till the next halving, which turns out is not true. My guess, this second leg of the bull market will have at least 6 more months to go. So, which makes sense because in the first bull run here, we had no orange, right? Second bull run, we had some orange. Big jump up to red, orange, green. Same thing here, a lot more smoother, almost no yellow, orange a little bit, and straight to red. This one, we're kind of seeing what we saw back here, a cluster of oranges, which don't determine time, but an on-chain metric that he doesn't specify what is. So we're kind of be looking for some red. So I think it's fair to say that personally, I will be taking profits once these red dots come into play. Once those red dots come into play, then that's when I'm going to start exiting my position, which seems to be like a good strategy based on this. And then that way we're not timing. If it takes longer to get there, then whatever, that's fine. I'm still hoping to see it for this year, but let's give Plan B a retweet and let's give him a like. But if not, then that's okay as well. So last week actually I did a live stream and we had done a measurement, which was a retrace of the fib from the high. No, sorry, it was not from the high. It was from our low to the high. No, it was not. What was it? Oh yeah. Okay. So it's from our low over here to our high here. And that gave us that level of 36.7, 37.900. And that's the level I was looking for. I was wrong, but I had the right idea. I just didn't have the right information. So basically, I should have taken it from this leg here, from the next move where we went up to where we kind of stalled out. That gave me the same level that I was looking at before, right? I should have kept going and pulled that up to our last high, which then would have given us this level here, which we hit exactly $39,713, which was pretty much exact one on Coinbase. And that then triggered our reversal. We did a new high, came and retested the top of this box here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on the daily chart. Boom, lost off. And now we are sitting at this resistance level on this black line. I'm not sure if you can really tell. It's a little thin. Here we are. Here, which we had seen before. We had turned it into support and then resistance and so on and so forth. So that's what we're looking at. And then I'm going to be looking at this near the level here where we rejected it before at $53,100, $29. And then after that, if we can break through those levels, then our next level we're looking at is, 59,000. And hopefully we can go over past that. And then we're going to see our next level at 64,000. So there's not much between 59 and 64. Hopefully we can break through that and then, above and beyond. So that's on the daily chart. Oops, I moved my line. All good. Weekly chart, again, I still think we're looking pretty good. I don't think we can really complain. So we come back, putting in some consolidation here. Maybe we go here for another week. Hopefully we see some new higher highs in the following weeks to come. This is the total market cap for cryptocurrencies. So we're back above 2 trillion. I showed us this line before, this trend line that I've seen that we bounced off a couple times on the weekly chart. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the weekly just to give us a better idea of what we're looking at. So here, if it zooms in a little bit better, I guess I could click auto. There we go. Weekly chart, we bounced off it, we stayed above it, a little overextended on this line, came below it, fell below it, tested it as resistance. Now I'm hopefully either we can turn it into support, bounce over it again, or we'll keep hitting it as resistance until we break above it. I'm looking for a new all-time high by October 18th for the market cap. Doesn't necessarily mean Bitcoin. Could be possible, could not be possible. But again, if we're talking about a $6 trillion market cap, to follow that trend line, we're looking at February. So very possible that the market does get extended. If it doesn't, if we're looking at, maybe a $5 trillion market cap, the top out, December, end of December, beginning of January, very possible again there. So that's the line I'm looking for. That's the timeline I'm thinking, and we'll see how that goes. So here's CoinMarketCap. Today we're looking at 1.1 trillion. Everyone's pretty much in the green. Cardano's down still for the week, but still doing well at 226. Binance Coin, I don't have any. Again, up 22% for the week. Great hold there. Solana up 21% for the week. Don't have any Solana either. Never got in on that one. XRP up 10% for the week. Great. I'd love to see it. What else we got here? Polkadot. Been sleeping on that for a while. Looking at 5% for the week, 5% for the day. So pretty much today it went up 5%, and that's what we're looking at. USDC, $31 billion. That's quite a bit. Doing good though. Dogecoin still up on the top, 10. Uniswap had a nice little pump last week. Oops, not bad. Sitting at 34% for the week, 35% for the week. Avalanche down for the week. Might be a time to buy. Could see some good things with Coinbase. Finally, some liquidity flowing into there. Chainlink, one of my largest holdings. Here, up 18% for the week. Love to see it. Litecoin, I only have one Litecoin. I'm not a huge whale like some of you guys may think, but I got a couple dollars for coins. Litecoin, I have one, bought and doing great as well. Can't complain. Never bought Internet Computer, came out really high. I got dumped on by the investors. Matic, I have very little Matic. I had a chance to get in really early on that one. Pass it up. Filecoin here, up 15%. VeChain, 25% for the week. Stellar, I have a little bit of Stellar. And Tron, I have a little bit of Tron as well. Been pretty much non-eventful for this product. But again, still up, can't complain. Tezos, I have a little bit of Tezos as well. It's doing quite well for the week, up 15% for the day. Pretty good. Yeah, PancakeSwap, never got really into it, and about mining and all that. CRO, I have a little bit of CRO for my CRO card. Other than that, not too much invested there. What else we got? Neo, I sold my Neo when it was like $100 a little while ago. I sold it and put it into Link. Switched some over there. What else we got? BitTorrent, apparently there's some BitTorrent news coming out soon that I heard about. I'll have to look into that. Compound. Up 6% for the day. It's been struggling since that possible hack, or not hack, sorry. They had some sort of news come out where their comp distribution token that they were doing had gone to the wrong people and the wrong amounts. So They're looking into that still. Haven't heard anything about that. And yeah, that's pretty much the top 100. Got some basic attention coin. I'm using the Brave browser. It's all right. I do find it a little bit laggy sometimes, or if you're not updated, you have to check in on it a couple times to get it going and working properly. So Bitcoin, we're looking at Bitcoin today, and there's this new feature called price estimate. I haven't tried it out to beta, but you can see what people are voting. So I'll have to log in and do this the next time, but see what people are seeing, what they think price estimates. Just curious. Doesn't necessarily mean it's true, but get a good idea of what people's market sentiments are. For the overview of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, on the daily chart, we're looking pretty good. 7-daily chart, again, found a new low, high, high, high. So we're up on an uptrend right now. 1 month, still in a downtrend on the 1 month, but hopefully we're going to be breaking out of that shortly. It does look like a reversal pattern, so we'll see how that goes. Actually, looks like an upside down Bart Simpson, a little bit. That's what I got for Bitcoin there. Ethereum, again, up quite a bit. 33 US, can't complain. 3,300. Anything over 3,000 is awesome. One thing I did want to see, actually, I want to go back here. I think ETH, USD, let's go Coinbase. Every time, this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. Every time ETH comes back above 3,000, so 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, we broke down, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. We always seem to come back up and test the $4,000 range. Let's take a look. If I can get a box. Where's the box? Drawing. Rectangle. So that's here. And then we did it again here. Broke above. 3,000. Did it again. So yeah, it seems to be like pretty normal to always try to push higher. Every time we break that 3,000, we always seem to hit the 4,000 mark. So that'll be interesting to see. I mean, Ethereum should be heading to 4,000 in the short term. Will it stay there? I'm not sure. It's been rejected a few times now. So might take us a little bit longer to get there. But yeah, something to watch for. There's something I've noticed the other day. Cardano. Cardano's looking okay. Still down for past month, I think. Yeah, we're down quite a bit still. So maybe a little bit lower to come. Maybe we'll stick around in these levels for a few more days. See reversal, head on up. But we thought there'd be bigger news with the Cardano event that happened on Monday, but not much came of it. Oops, I don't want to talk about that. What else we got here? XRP. It's in $1. I had bought a bunch of XRP. Let's see. I had bought a bunch of XRP back in like when it was like 30 cents, maybe 20 cents, around there. Sold. I don't know, when it was like, when the lawsuit came out, I sold at maybe $1, maybe a couple $100. No big deal. I bought back in around 60 cents again. Very little this time, but now that the lawsuit seems like it's going to be going well and it's going to pass, looking for that $3 mark to probably sell half my bag, let the rest go, and let it ride. That's personally what I think I'm going to be doing. What else we got? Chainlink, probably one of my favorite projects. Hasn't been doing that great, actually. It's been pretty chill. Now it looks like it's going to be breaking up towards, hopefully, these higher highs, back in the $30 range, $35 range. See, during the bear market, when everything else was down, Chainlink was doing great. And then we came into the bull market, and we went all the way up to $50. So I'd like to see. I would like to see a $300 chain link. Hopefully, it's possible. I think it is. Maybe I'll do one of those videos where I'm going to describe how much money it takes, since the max supply is. Did they change it? It's 456 billion. Oh yeah, it's 1 trillion link. 456 billion right now is what's out. 46% supply. So I think it could be pretty good. I think it's possible that Oh no, 446 million link. Sorry, not billion. 1 billion link available. Why is it not possible that another fully diluted market cap right now, 26, so it's almost double. 12 million is what we're sitting at. 12 billion, sorry. That's a billion. 12 billion is what we're sitting at right now. Could this hit 100 billion and 100x from here and go to $260? Possible. It's going to see how much money it takes and how much money flows out of Bitcoin into these altcoins once the market's done. That's all I got for today. If you want to give us a follow on Instagram, please take a look. We got some cool stories here that we made. How to buy some Bitcoin if you're Canadian. How to earn some passive income. What is crypto mini-series? We go into blockchain. We go into fiat. We talk about uptrends. Talk about stable coins. We talk about mining rewards, blockchain fees. Yeah, take a look, see what you think. Give us a like, follow, tweet, comment, dislike, anything you can give us, basically to kind of push us in the right direction. Awesome. Thanks for joining.